Adding fractions and finding common denominators. Step 1. See if the smaller denominator goes into the larger one equally. For example, 1/4 plus 7/12. 4 goes into 12 3 times equally. So now we have to do, since it does, we have to multiply the smaller denominator by 3 to get the larger number. Also multiply the numerator. So we're going to do 1/4 times 3 times 3, and we will get 3/12. If the denominators do not go into each other, we can find a multiple of both numbers, so we find a common denominator. For example, 5/6 plus 2/9. 6 does not go into 9, so we have to find a multiple of both numbers. 6 has multiples of 6 times 1, 12 times 2 is 6 times 2, and 18 is 6 times 3. So we're going to stop there. 9 has multiples of 9 times 1, 9 times 2 is 18, so we found a match. So now we have to multiply the numerators and denominators because we have to change both of them. But if they went into each other, then we wouldn't have to do that. But still the numerators, because we always have to multiply the numerators if we are going to multiply the denominator. So now we are gonna do 5/6 times 3 to get 15 18ths. Then we're gonna do 2/9 times 2 to get 4 18ths. Now we have common denominators. Finally, we have to add the numerators but keep the denominators, and then convert the answer to lowest terms, because if it's not lowest terms, then it's not the final answer. But the way to convert it is to divide it. The lowest number you can divide by is 2, and if the number does not divide by 2, then you can do a larger number, but try to keep it as small as possible. Now what we're going to add the 12ths because we did that one previously. So we're going to do 3/12 plus 7/12. We only add the numerators, so 3 plus 7 is 10. And then we keep the denominators, so 12. 10/12. But that can be divided by 2 because 10 divided by 2 is a smaller number, and 12 divided by 2 is a smaller number and not a decimal. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. And you can also divide the denominator in this one. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. So our final answer is 5/6.